I just gotta say. Is this Bowser again? And I just gotta say, bro looks like Jeffrey Dahmer. Bro looks like he's staring into my soul. Bro looks like a creep. Bro looks like a whole ass demon. Bro's forehead is bigger than Megamind's. And let's just bring this back up again. Bro looks like Jeffrey Dahmer, which you could agree, which is true. So true. A wall on your room is how much inches? What'd you say? Wait, a wall on my room is what? Wait, a wall on my room is what? I'm not giving any information about my teacher, obviously. That's personal information for them. They do not allow me to put their stuff or anything or any other names on here.
By 3.2 meters. A small...
How do you even know that a wall in my room is what?
A wall in your room is 5.6 meters by 3...
How do you even know the wall of my room is 5.6 meters? Are you spying on me? How do you even know my wall or something is like that? What if it's more cut and it's more little? Rooms are different, bruh. And you're just coming over here and saying my room. It's not my room. My room wall is whatever he said. How do you even know that? I just gotta say, demon face. Bro looks like he's staring into my soul. Bro looks mad at me, which I don't care, so.
A wall in your room is 5.6 meters by 3.2 meters. A small can of paint will cover about 20 square meters. Do you have enough paint to paint your wall?
Yes. My dad used a whole paint jar. I saw him do it. For this room. Obviously! What is this supposed to be? Anywhere? By the way, I'm not sponsoring this video by him. I just hate math. Not my teacher, but I just hate math in particular. So, yeah. Oh, is that the thing that I hate? Wait. Would you look at that? That's the thing that I hate. What a coincidence. Oh my god. What a coincidence. Oh my god. How did you figure this out? What a coincidence. Oh my god. A video series that puts learning math within your reach. Oh my god! Like I care. So you're saying in my house? You're saying in space? You're saying outside of the solar system, my guy? Bro's just going nuts. Would you look at that? Like I said, would you look at that?
Welcome to Anywhere Math.
His first name starts with Jeffrey. He looks like Jeffrey Dahmer, by the way. Look at this guy.
Welcome to Anywhere Math.
Jeffrey Dahmer looking boy.
I'm Jeff Jacobson, and today we're going to talk about multiplying decimals.
Let's see how good Andrew is at multiplying or dealing with decimals, or just Bro's just doing the rock face when I pause him.
Alright, so let's talk.
Why'd you just freeze that like that, my guy? In your notebook, under today's... Okay. I have my notebook right here. I knew she was...
Alright, so let's talk about that wall. It was 5.6 meters by 3.2 meters. So if you think drawing a picture
Oh, how do you know how big my
You know,
wall
this is going to be about 5.6 meters by 3.2 meters. And we want to know if we're going to have enough paint. So what we need to find is...
Guys, I lied. I need to go get my notebook. Future Andrew is me from the future is gonna come back in 5 minutes. 1 minute. Why would I need 5 minutes to get my notebook? Hi, future Andrew. If you're watching this video, I know it just sounds like I'm crazy. But let's do this. I got my notebook. Now, first, I get... Why did I just say GYAT, and why did my voice just change? So, I just gotta say. This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. YouTubers be like, they be sponsoring every single little thing by Raid Shadow Legends. Or Apex Legends. No one wants to know. I know you could be possibly my favorite YouTuber, but you don't have to say, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Come on. But I know it's just a sponsor. You're getting paid for it. Why would I even get mad? But almost Raid Shadow Legends would be sponsoring everything, bro. Are you kidding me?
The area. That's what we're covering with the paint. So to do that, we're just going to multiply, right? Length times width. So 5.6 times 3.2. 5.6 times 3.2. Now, if we were going to estimate...
I just got to say, do not put on music in the background because I do not want to get copyright claimed.
Estimate this, that would be about 6. That would be about 3. 6 times 3 is about 18. So hopefully, if our estimation is somewhere accurate, we should have enough. So let's see. Let's just multiply. 6 times 2 is 12. 10 plus 1 is 11. Carry the 0.
The biggest mistake I've seen multiplying digits is forgetting to drop a 0 before multiply to the next place value. Okay.
18.
That could have been me making the mistake. So.
Another 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. 2, 9, 7, 1. Now, if you're thinking, well, where this is decimals, right? Where's my decimal point?
My answer is 24.
So if you estimate, that will help kind of catch those errors. So if we're going to estimate, this would be...
Go on.
The 6 is okay. 3.91, we can just round up to 4. So we're thinking our product should be around 24. So let's see. Now, when you're multiplying with decimals, the trick is to treat it like the decimal isn't there. Set up the problem like you would a normal multiplication problem. So what I'm saying is, don't think of this as 3.91. Imagine it's just 391 times 6. Well, if it was that, you would put the 391 on top.
So basically, place the number with the most digits on the top, which I know that. Thanks for the information. Thank you for the information.
Multiply it by 6. That's how you would set it up, right?
Yeah.
And we can do that because order doesn't matter with multiplication because of the commutative property. So we can do that. Once you set it up like that, then go ahead and put the decimal point back in. Just don't forget that. And now we just...
True or false? The step when multiplying decimals is to multiply them as they were whole numbers. I think true.
And now we just multiply like normal. That's going to be 6. 6 times 9 is 54. Carry the 5. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 5 is 23. Now, this is...
First, you got to bring down the decimal and put it between the 3 and the 4. And then it's $23.46. I'm good at math. On this unit, because on the other units, it looks like I am trash.
The last step, and it's really important, where does a decimal point go in our answer? And all you have to do is look at how many places you have after the decimal points in your problem.
Which in other words, this is 23/46 thousandths.
Here we've got the 9 and the 1.
Good job.
2 places after the decimal in 3.91, so that's...
I just sound like a nerd at this point, and why am I even recording my math homework?
2.
Andrew's just running out of video ideas, even though I have so many videos planned for the upcoming months. December is the month where I upload, but I upload so many plane videos when I'm in the plane. So, I know people from my class are watching this video. I'm not saying any names due to suing. Why would they sue me? But I'm just saying. So, if you see me that I'm gone for a long time, and I already think I already told all of you, I am going to be on a vacation for December 11th through January 22nd. And I'm just saying, watch my videos while I'm doing the vacation. So then you keep that update of what I'm doing. But I'm going to tell you tomorrow that you should watch my videos so then you see me. And tell me what happens in the comments below. If you have signed in, which I hope you do.
6 doesn't have any, right? The decimal point, if we wanted, would be here. There's nothing over there. So that's going to be 0.
In the background, my guy?
So in our answer, we need 2 decimal places.
Okay, now, placing the decimal point in the correct place in our answer is the answer. I'm just so smart. I hope I get it. I'm just so smart.
Okay. So, 1, 2. The decimal point goes there, and that is our product. That's our answer. 23.46. And let's check, does that make sense with our estimate? Yeah, it's really, really close. So we know we're good. Okay, let's try another one, another example. All right, here's example number 2. 1.35 times 100. When you're multiplying by powers of 10.
Write down the rule. Rewatch if you must. This is me doing a bunch of math. Fresh new page. What is the rule?
like 100 is. It's 10 times 10, right? Or 10 squared. There's a really nice shortcut that you can make. If you remember, our whole number system is base 10. It's based on powers of 10. So if you think, well, take it simpler. Well, what's 2 times 10? Well, that's just 20. 2 times 100. That's 200. 2 times 1,000. That's 2,000. Okay. That's very simple because it's just a whole number. All you do is add zeros at the end, right? You do the 1 times the 2 and then add however many zeros you have. But you can also think of it, well, if there was a decimal here, where would it be? Well, with whole numbers, we can put a decimal right after. And now, from here to here, what happened to the decimal? It went from here over 1, and you just filled in a 0. Here, it was times 100, so we're moving it twice, right? It filled in those zeros. Here, times 1,000, you're moving the decimal point 3 times. When you're multiplying by powers of 10, you're moving the decimal point to the right, and you just gotta think, well, how many powers of 10? 10, you're moving it once, right? 10 is the same as 10 to the first power. 100 is 10 squared, so you're moving it twice. 1,000 is 10 cubed, you're moving it 3 times. You can also think, how many zeros are there? That's how many times you're moving it. So,
true or false? When you multiply a number by the power of 10, 10, 100, 1,000, etc., the decimal moves to the right the number of the zeros in the power. If you think about it, it is basically, wait, the decimal moves to the right. That can't be right. I picked true, because that can't be right.
with that in mind, this problem becomes much, much easier. I'm multiplying by a power of 10. I'm going to move it to the right because I'm multiplying. And there's 2 zeros, or I can think of that as 10 squared.
When it's red, that means I nailed it. But when it's orange, that means I failed. When it's orange. But when it's red, that means I nailed it. Because color of fire.
To the power.
Let's be real here. If you multiply a number by 100, the decimal point moves. 1 place to the right. Oh, 2 places! 2 places! I lied. When it's red,
Power
you
of
fail.
2. So
When it's green, you win. Red, too bad, you fail. And I got a red.
I'm going to move it once, twice. So that becomes
You're kidding me, bro.
135.
I'm mad.
Very simple. All right, here's our last example. 3.1 times 0.05.
I think I just fell asleep.
Personally, I like to do whichever ones have the most 5 on top. Me personally,
I wouldn't take that. Me personally, I wouldn't take that.
FBI? Him. Come on in.